Hi dear student, welcome to the classes. Next I will go for the one of the very fundamental concept, that is polar and non-polar molecules. You see here ಅಚ್ಚ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಬಿಚ್ಚ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾವು ಏನೇ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಭಾಳ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ತರೋ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ನಾವು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಥದ್ದೇ ಬಂದರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ polar, non-polar, they are confused. And next, dipole moment concept. What is the application of dipole moment? What is formal charge? They are fundamental to build the next concept. That's why ಯಾಕೆ ಇಂಥ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾನು ನಿಜವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ ಓದ್ತಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಅದು ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇರಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಟೋಟಲಿ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ತರೋ ಆದರೆ ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ಗುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆಲ್. If you don't know or if you forget it, just see videos and then you are getting clear the ideas very well. Okay, whenever you are learning whatever it may be, ನೀವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲಿ ತರೋ ಇದ್ರೆ ಭಾಳ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ನಾ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಐ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ confusion about small things, small concepts. That's why I'm making daily one general subject, general chemistry, and one specific for what I chapter started in the PUC students. Okay, from that concept only today I will start one of the next concept, the polar and non-polar molecules. Okay, what does mean by polar and non-polar molecules? They are very important. One thing you see here, one word I think everyone heard, that polar, pole. I think everyone heard the name pole. What is mean by pole? Pole means very simple, directions. The pole means very simple, that is called as what? Directions. The molecules which have directions, they are called as polar. The molecules which does not have any directions, they are called as non-polar. In generally I am telling. ಅವಾಗಲೂ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಲಿತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೌ ಆರ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರಿಂಗ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ and non-polar means there is no any direction. Okay, if I will tell you, there is a molecules that H and H, and one more molecule H and Cl. What is the difference between these two? This molecule is formed by the sharing of electron of this H, one electron in this H and H, they share and to form one bond. And this HCl also, there will be a bond formed by the complete transfer of electron to form a bond, that is called as one more bond. Okay, the breaking of this bond leads to the formation of H and one more H. Okay, either it may be it is plus or it is minus. Okay, one more way we have to go for, if it is H minus plus H plus, either it may be plus or minus, plus minus, whatever it may be, no problem at all. Okay, if it is hydrolytic cleavage, it leads to the formation of always H plus and Cl minus atom. H plus and Cl minus atom. Therefore, in this case, we are very difficult to tell which is H plus exactly, which is H minus. It is very difficult. But in this case, we are telling one is H plus and one is Cl minus 12. Okay. Therefore, in this bond breaking takes place to form one H plus and one Cl minus, means there will be one positive atom is there and one negative atom is there. Therefore, dou plus and dou minus. Partially separation of positive charge, partially. This is what HCl molecule. This H plus and Cl minus is bigger. The bond breaking and leads to the formation of H plus and Cl minus atom. Therefore, in this way, in this HCl molecule, it form H plus Cl minus. But in this H2 molecule, it is very difficult to break the bond and H plus Cl minus. Okay. Therefore, these molecules are not showing which is plus and which is minus, which is plus, which is minus. It is very difficult to tell. That's why these molecules are not in showing any direction, either it is plus or it is minus. but it is tell that these molecules, HCl molecule, they are telling H plus Cl minus. Therefore, they are showing the exact charge on the molecule. Therefore, these HCl or whatever type of molecule, they are showing the direction. The direction is charge separation. Therefore, they are called as polar and they are called as non-polar. They are called as non-polar molecules and they are called as what? Polar molecules. Polar means directional molecules, non-directional molecules. This is one way we are defining. One more way I will tell you. What is meant by polar and non-polar molecules? Okay. The molecules with the charge separation with the rho plus and rho minus, but it is very difficult to separate the charge. Therefore, they are called as non-polar, and they are called as what? Polar. What is non-polar? You have to observe. Non-polar means one must and should be condition. One is more electropositive atom, but one is electronegative atom. Therefore, one electropositive and electronegative atom combined to form the polar molecules, but both of them are same having both either maybe electropositive, both are having electropositive, both are electropositive or both are electronegative to form the non-polar molecules. And one more way, all homodiatomic molecules are non-polar, and the heterodiatomic molecules are called as what? Polar. That is very important. Okay, for example, homodiatomic molecules, example H2, Cl2, Br2, next N2. There are so many examples. And non-polar molecules means they are HCl, HBr, next CH4, next go further. There are so many, NH3, next NO2. All they are heteroatomic molecules. They are called as what? Polar molecules, and the only homodiatomic molecules are called as what? Polar molecule. And polar molecules are directional, and non-polar molecules are having, there is no any directional in the non-polar molecules. That is very important concept. Based on this concept only, we are going to define the next dipole moment concept. Okay, I will tell you in the next video. Okay, there are very small concept you have to learn and understand the concept well. Is here one more way we are defining the polar molecules and non-polar molecule. What is that? For example, the homodiatomic molecules are formed by the covalent bond, and heterodiatomic molecules are formed by the covalent bond. Here what happened? The electron density, there are electrons are shared to form one bond. The density of this bond is accumulated at the center. This is what like this. Just for the sake of understanding. For HCl, this is H, and the center, you see here the molecule, this is H, and this is what is Cl. Here electron density, you see here this H and this bond Cl. The electron density is towards the negative charge. Here one thing, the electron density here exactly at the center of the bond. Here electron density is exactly near to the negative atom. Therefore, the homodiatomic molecules are formed, okay, with electron density at the center of the bond. But in heterodiatomic molecule, the electron density is towards the negative atom. The bond breaks to form equal, the distribution of this whatever electron density equal. For example, this equally distribution of electron density. This middle equally distribute akati electron density. But ee bond break aitandra electron density equally break agala. One 2 plus ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು Cl minus. Therefore, this is what a bond breaking. If bond break ಮಾಡಿ equal electron density distribute ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಕ್ಕೇನಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕು, ನಾನ್ ಪೋಲಾರ್. ಇಫ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅನ್ಈಕ್ವಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರ, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೋ ಪ್ಲಸ್ and it is dou minus ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರ they are called as what? Polar molecules. Therefore one thing you see here, non-polar molecules means all homodiatomic molecule. Cl2 also, see here Cl2 also, the bond formed by the equal density of a bond breaking to form equal density of a molecules or atoms, ions. But in heterodiatomic bond breaking to leads to different charges of the ions. This is what are polar and non-polar molecules. One more way I am explaining this. Okay, please learn or understand the basic concept well. Okay, if you like my videos, please share and subscribe. Okay, thank you.